Greetings. My name is Dr. Clarence E. Wright, and I am excited about the World Mission Initiative Conference at Pittsburgh Theological Seminary. I will be there, and I will be leading a workshop titled Remembering the Neighborhood, Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood as Model for Reparative Ecclesiology. Reparative ecclesiology is the process of church or ministry-led cultural repair. The effects of racism, sexism, classism, and ableism, to name a few, have fundamentally damaged how we relate to one another. And it is my contention that the applied theology demonstrated by Fred Rogers offers an unexpected but deeply instructive framework for congregations to engage in the necessary work of repair. I hope to see you in October.